gem, honey. Rebuilding the carport, new roof, new siding, new windows, landscaping.
I mean, I don't think you're wrong.
Kitchen. And lots of termites.
Dude, that is a ton of termite crap. Water damage up here. Let me check out the shower. Have you ever seen
So gross.
duct tape in a shower?
What?
It's covering up termite damage.
I can feel the good mana. Love the new windows. Love the paint color. Wow. It's not even the same house. This was the living area, and I think the living area only went to like here.
Yep.
Love the colors, love the flooring.
Some dual vanity, walk-in shower, custom tile.
I think this home is gonna go quick. I'm totally blown away. You guys did a fabulous job.